Now I want you to imagine that a global pandemic hits. You simultaneously need to take care of your family and get all of your work done while not at your desk. I know it sounds far-fetched, right? Well, it did until March of 2020. In order to accomplish this, I am going to use SOLIDWORKS Touch Mode on my iPad Pro. Now I know what you're saying. SOLIDWORKS on an iPad? How? Well, hang out with me for a few minutes and I will not only show you the how, but the how-to so that you can tackle any challenge. The first thing we'll do is take our trusty tablet, in this case an iPad Pro, and download the Microsoft Remote Desktop app. This is how we will be able to use an iPad to work with SOLIDWORKS. We will still need a Windows computer with SOLIDWORKS installed. Next, we set up our Windows computer for remote desktop access. With these steps completed, we now log into our computer from the iPad app and open SOLIDWORKS. Once inside, we can turn on Touch Mode and the Sketch Ink toolbar. We can then start manipulating models and drawing sketches. We can use our Apple Pencil without issue. The only thing to be aware of is you need to have the Ink with Touch command selected when you want to sketch or dimension entities using your finger or the Apple Pencil. I can even set up and run a simulation study this way. This is incredibly important for me as it allows me to move around my working environment while still being productive. I'm able to add fixtures and loads without issue, and without a mouse. I can mesh and run the simulation while intuitively inspecting my results. Not only is this a more immersive way for me to get my work done, but it is also more portable, allowing me to keep an eye on any troublemakers since I'm no longer tethered to my desk or a mouse. Hey, no going on the roof. Now this is just one use case, but being more mobile allows us to do our work in non-traditional settings. This may be those individuals who are constantly on the go, or maybe in a park, or even at a beach. So we not only saved the life of a small child today, but we were able to get our simulation analysis completed without missing a beat. How will you get your next project completed while you're on the go, or maybe taking care of a family member? SOLIDWORKS Touch Mode will allow you to be nimble and still produce high-quality deliverables for your business. If I got you excited on how you and your team can leverage simulation while on the go, then please reach out to us with the contact information shown here. We would love to help you take advantage of these tools. If you want to learn more about the steps for setting up remote desktop on your iPad, then check out my blog article at the link below. Lastly, if you enjoy using a tablet and touch capabilities, then you need to check out the roles and apps on the 3D Experience platform. This cloud-based platform has many capabilities to complement your business. I particularly like the X-Shape app. Thank you for your time. We look forward to hearing from you.